Okay, we are starting with the first presenter, that is Kishan. Yes, Kishan, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay.
I am. Hello, everyone. Today I am going to present about 1984 as a dystopian novel. So let's start. Next. So, dystopian society is characterized by misery, operations, violence, disease, and other population. A vision of a society that is opposite of utopia. Utopia is a name for an ideal community or a society. Taken from it title title of a book written in 1560 by Sir Thomas More that describe a fictional Iceland in the Atlantic Ocean. His idea were based on Plato's Republic. So our mind is what is a dystopia? Next. So dystopias is a surveys is a moral or political warning, often of the threat of oppressive regimes. Dystopian literature are often vision of dangerous and alienating future societies. Intended to critics current trends in culture, the term was coined in 1868 by the English philosopher John Stuart Mill. Next. So, uh, dystopian novels usually included elements of a contemporary society and are seen as a warning against some modern trends. Writer use the terms as a cautionary tales in which humankind is put into a society that many look inviting on the surface, but in a reality is a nightmare. Some example of Animal Farms, 1984 by G.S. Orwell's, and The First Man in the Moon by S.G. Wells. Next. So 1984 as a dystopian novels. This novel is written by G.S. Orwell. The setting is the future world of 1984 in that times. In this novel, head of government is known is a big brother, the hero against the government, and he was a suffer many kind of this event in his life. Next. So dystopian, some characteristic I am connect to 1984 novels. First one is a propaganda is used to control the citizen of society. So radio or TV is always playing in 1984 novels. Pulsing gives instruction, provides in information about events that are happening. Moderates men. What man is doing is working to keep and watching on man. So all things use are control the citizen of society. Next. Other one is characteristic figurehead or concept of worshipped by citizens of the society. So when Big Brother is shown on the screen, everyone every day him and respected him. So which shows that one person dominates, then that person rules over them, and all person are follow the one man. Next. Another one is information independence thought and freedoms restricted. So while Winston want to present his thought in a diary, so at that time this matter was considered a crime. Winston is arrested and tortured when police find out because he want to against Big Brother's rule and presented his idea and tried to write something. So also this thing is represent in this novel. Next. Another one is a citizen are perceived to be under concerns surveillance. So in the 1984 novel, we find that everyone is paying attention one man. There is a photo of Big Brother on all of screen and all time. So everything is watching Big Brother. Everyone is dominated by Big Brothers, and every follow and follow and every watching is Big Brother in this movie, and all control in Big Brothers. Next one. Another is citizen have fear of the outside world. So in these novels, a battle screen of 2 to 5 minutes shown on the screen every day to provoke people when a war is going on. These people have hatred for another countries. Next one. So citizen live in a dehumanized state, very tortured in Winston in this novel. Next. The natural world is banished and disturbed in the, so also you can say see in these novels some themes and some images of nature and after against of the world war themes. Next. So finally and last characteristic of citizen conform to uniform expectation, individuality and decent are bad. So in this novel, we can finally see Winston himself a love Big Brother because he was been tortured so much that he mind has fallen in love with Big Brother, and he was a follow to Big Brother. Sam follow all people like a shipman. So after and these novels, Winston also say I love Big Brothers and follow to Big Brothers. Next. So our characteristic of dystopian literature represented in 1984 novel. So you can say 1984 as a dystopian novel. Next. Here is my references. Next. Thank you.
Yes, there must be the writer of this last citation also. The fantastic modern Japanese literature 2005 page number. So there must be a writer also. That writer should be mentioned in the citation. Okay, otherwise it was very well prepared. Good use of screenshots from the cinematic version you have done. You can stop sharing now this. And it was well prepared. And orally also you presented most of the things. Instead of reading the slide, you were orally presenting those things. Okay. Questions to Kishan? Kishan from who is going to ask? Stuti and Sneha.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes.
My question is that how Big Brother control everything in 1984?
Yes, Big Brother always control of everything in people because every TV screen always photo of Big Brothers in 1984 so, and follow to Big Brothers every day, every time he forced to peoples, and after you not follow to anybody, so at that time Big Brothers torture him and punished him. So this way, Big Brother has a uh, uh, follow to everyone, follow to every people in him.
My question is why Winston torture in 1984?
Yes, because Winston write down in something own thoughts, and 1984 novel mentions Big Brother is not allowed to anybody write down own thoughts, only for follow to Big Brothers in sheep way. So this reason is Winston punished and torture him.
Okay, next presenter is